You see that kitten, Aslan? If you don't behave, you're gonna end up like her. Do you hear me?
10 pounds of pure rage.
I'm gonna show you guys why gentle parenting doesn't work. Get down, please. Get down, baby. Watch versus get your ass down.
Dedication to politeness. This is normal cat behavior.
I'm trying to wrap presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I did. Oh!
You AI, you the police, ain't you? You a listening device. Whatever you is, you can stay, bro. But stop breaking in. I can open the door, bro.